All day pulling that plow. I am exhausted.
Pretend to be sick. That's how you get a day off.
Sick, huh?
Ah,
Well then, guess that other one will have to pull today.
Wait, me?
Oh, they're rested wonders. Thanks for the tip.
Vice. That backfires right into your own face. Let's just share the work from now on. Advice may sound smart, but if you do not think it through, you may end up bearing the burden yourself. Let's talk about that noise. My bray is not just a weird horse scream. It is a carefully engineered sound machine that can travel over 3 kilometers. That is farther than your school bus route. Uphill both ways. In the wild, donkeys had to communicate across huge open landscapes. Our hee-haw is basically ancient Wi-Fi. Oh, and each donkey has their own distinct bray. Mine, deep, dramatic, and slightly operatic. Chad's sounds like a goat sneezing in a trumpet. You have noticed my ears, have you not? Everyone does. Yes, they are huge. I look like a satellite dish with legs. But they are not just for fashion. My ears help me hear predators sneaking from far away, detect distant thunder, and, more importantly, overhear gossip from 2 farms away. Also, they act as natural air conditioners. Blood flows through the big surface area, cooling me down faster than a fan on turbo mode. While you are sweating in the sun, I am chilling like a desert king. Let's squash the biggest myth. I am not stubborn. I am cautious, calculating, strategic. Ask me to walk across a sketchy bridge, I will assess, is it safe? Is it worth it? Are snacks involved? If the risk is not worth the reward, I simply will not go. That is not being difficult. That is being smart. Studies show donkeys are highly intelligent, capable of independent problem solving and strong emotional memory. In other words, if you once fed me a carrot in 2012, I remember. If you tricked me with a fake apple, oh, I definitely remember. Do not let my fuzzy coat fool you, I am tough. I can carry up to 30% of my body weight, walk across rocky mountain paths, and navigate terrain that would make a goat cry. Humans have used donkeys for thousands of years to carry supplies, plow fields, and transport stuff through places where trucks get stuck and horses say nope. In some parts of the world, I am still the daily hero, bringing water to villages or hauling medicine over cliffs without a single complaint. Well, maybe one bray. We donkeys feel deeply. We form strong lifelong bonds with our buddies donkey, human, or even that weird goose next door. If we are separated from our best friends forever, we get anxious.
Oh,
Some of us stop eating. Others brace sadly until our friend returns. We cuddle, we comfort, we listen. Basically, we are like therapy animals in fabulous hoofs. And yes, some donkeys are actually used in emotional therapy, helping kids with autism or veterans cope with PTSD. Behind these big ears is a bigger heart. Let's talk about my look. This coat is pure function meets fabulous. My thick, fuzzy fur helps me survive both cold nights and sizzling days. It is like wearing a temperature-regulating sweater. And you do not see me complaining about itchy tags or changing for PE class. Also, I rock the dust bath look. Rolling in dirt, that is not just fun, it is skincare. Keeps the bugs off and the coolness in. Donkeys invented dry shampoo way before it was trendy. You might think we eat boring stuff like hay and grass. And yeah, we do. But we are not picky. We are practical. Dry shrubs, yummy. Prickly weeds, delicious. Leftover sandwich crusts? Do not mind if I do. Our digestive system is built like a recycling machine. We can get nutrients from things that would make a goat gag. In harsh places where food is scarce, we survive on what is available. No complaints, just crunching. Fun fact, we even have a secret move called the donkey stomp to crush thorny plants before eating them. It is like dinner and a dance. You will not see us in superhero movies, but donkeys have saved lives. In wars, we carried wounded soldiers when jeeps could not pass. In disasters, we brought food to stranded villages. Some of us worked in ancient Egypt, some in the American Wild West, and some in your backyard, probably eating your garden gnome. We have been everywhere, done everything, and asked for nothing but food, love, and the occasional scratch behind the ears. So next time you see a donkey and think, oh, look, a silly horse with big ears, remember this. I have better hearing than your smartwatch. I remember more than your hard drive. I am emotionally more stable than Chad. I am not stubborn, I am wise. I am not loud, I am expressive. I am not boring, I am the unsung hero of hooved mammals. Now, if you will excuse me, I need to go scream at the moon. Not because I am angry, just because I can.